Look around you. There are all kinds of everything. Look at that. There are buildings, signage, cars. Look at this classroom. What are they called? Yes, they are ruler, eraser, desk, blackboard.
Here we have our friend about to finish her work.
Hello, hello, hello! I'm Witty. I'm in a good mood today. Just bear with me because today we are going to learn about two-dimensional shapes. Friend, look at these shapes. Do you know what they are? Yes, they are called triangle, rectangle, and square. Do you know that they are called as two-dimensional shapes? Friends, do you know what is the meaning of two-dimensional shapes? Two-dimensional shapes is a flat shape where we can measure the perimeter and the area. Let me introduce you with the example of two-dimensional shapes.
Woo! Screed! Phew! Hi friends, I'm Triangle. I have 3 sides.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Friends, I'm Square. I have 4 sides. They have same length. Okay? I have to go now. See you later.
Woohoo! Hi, I'm Rectangle. I've 4 sides. I've wide width and short length.
I'm sure by now you can recognize and differentiate the features of the two-dimensional shapes. Yes, you can. I want to measure the perimeter of this table. This table is rectangular in shape, meaning it has the same length and the same width. The perimeter of this table is... perimeter means total length of the side of the shape. Now, let me measure the perimeter of this table. This is side A, side B, side C, and side D. The length of A to B is 7 centimeters. B to C is 3 centimeters. C to D is 7 centimeters, while D to A is 3 centimeters. So, 3 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters is equal to 20 centimeters. The perimeter of this table is 20 centimeters. That's how we measure the perimeter of the rectangle. Now, let me show you how to measure the perimeter of a square. Wow! Look at this painting. It is square in shape. P, Q, R, and S. It has same length of sides. The perimeter of this painting is length P to Q is 20 centimeters, Q to R is 20 centimeters, R to S is 20 centimeters, S to P is 20 centimeters. Now, let's total it. 20 centimeters plus 20 centimeters plus 20 centimeters plus 20 centimeters equals to 80 centimeters. The perimeter of this painting is 80 centimeters. Look! This card is triangular in shape. Let me show you how to measure the perimeter. Okay, this triangle has 3 sides. Side S, T, and U. The length of S to T is 8 centimeters. T to U is 8 centimeters, while U to S is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters is equal to 24 centimeters. The perimeter of this triangle is 24 centimeters. That's how we measure perimeter. I hope you can do it.
Look at this diagram. Can you measure the perimeter? Let's do it together. Look at the sides. How many sides does this diagram have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 sides. So, 8 sides multiplied 3 centimeters equals to 24 centimeters. Look at this diagram. Let's measure the perimeter. First, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 sides. 6 sides multiplied 2 centimeters equals to 12 centimeters. Look at this diagram. Can you measure its perimeter? Look at its sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 sides. Perimeter for this diagram is 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters equals to 20 centimeters.
Hi! It's interesting, huh? Do you know how to measure the perimeter now? Good! Now, let's learn more about it. I think, I want to build a triangular shape of a fish pond here. The length of the side of the pond is 134 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the fish pond? 3 multiplied by 134 centimeters is equal to 402 centimeters. So, the perimeter of the fish pond is 402 centimeters. Do you know what is the meaning of area in two-dimensional shapes? Area means size of a diagram. We use the square centimeter and the square meter as units of the area. How do you calculate the area of squares and rectangles? Now, let me show it to you.
The area of this diagram is 4 square centimeters. The area of the shapes can be found by counting the number of squares it covers. Shapes which are covered half or more than half of the square is assumed as 1 square centimeter. Okay, now let's see another examples. How about this diagram? How much is the area? Yes, It is 22 square centimeters.
How do you find it? Can you calculate the area? I'm sure you can. Now it's time for us to calculate the area by using a special formula.
To calculate this rectangle, the formula is length multiplied width. So, in this diagram, the length is 5 centimeters and the width is 3 centimeters. 5 centimeters multiplied 3 centimeters equals to 15 square centimeters. Do you get it? Yes, you got it. This is a square. How are you going to calculate the area? The formula to calculate area of square is length multiplied width. So, in this picture, 4 centimeters multiplied 4 centimeters equals to 16 square centimeters. So, the area of this square is 16 square centimeters.
Hi friends! Want to join me? Oh yeah! Could you calculate the areas of the rectangle and square now? Yes, you can. Good! You're such a fast learner. Now friends, let's try this. Can you measure the area and the perimeter of this chord? First, let us measure the perimeter. Look at the side of this chord. It has 4 sides: S, T, U, and V. So, the length of S to T is 5 meters. T to U is 3 meters. U to V is 5 meters. V to S is 3 meters. 5 meters plus 3 meters plus 5 meters plus 3 meters is equal to 16 meters. The perimeter for the chord is 16 meters. How about the area of this chord? This chord is rectangular in shape. So the formula is length multiplied by width. 5 meters multiplied by 3 meters is equal to 15 squared meters. Ha 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 ha! I'm the king. I want to show you the most trickiest question. Do you want to try it? Okay.
Can you calculate the area of this diagram? Let me do it for you. First, identify the shape in the diagram. How many shapes can you see from it? Yes, there are 3 rectangular shapes. Do you remember how to calculate the area of rectangle? Good. Length multiplied width. Look at the first rectangle. 5 centimeters multiplied 4 centimeters equal to 20 centimeters square. 1 centimeter multiplied 2 centimeters equal to 2 centimeters square. 1 centimeter multiplied 4 centimeters equal to 4 square centimeters. So, the area of this diagram is 20 squared centimeters plus 2 squared centimeters plus 4 squared centimeters equal to 26 squared centimeters.
Now, I'm very sure that you can measure the perimeter and calculate the area of the two-dimensional shapes. Good. Friends, can you remember all the input I gave you on this topic? Now, let's recall. First, can you name me the examples of two-dimensional shapes? Yes, they are square, rectangle, and triangle. Good.
How about the perimeter? Do you know how to measure the perimeter of the two-dimensional shapes? First, we have to identify the side of the shapes. Then, total all the numbers. Perimeter of a shape is the total of the length of its sides. Good.
Next, do you know how to calculate the area of the shape? For rectangular shape, you have to use this formula. Length multiplied by width is equal to, and for square, you have to use this formula. Length multiplied by width. Okay. Friends, I hope you can recall everything after this. Ding dong! Friends, now the time has come to test your understanding. Let's answer these questions. Good luck!
Answer these questions.
Could you answer all the questions given? Great! I know you can answer it. So it's time for cycling now. Till next time. See you. Bye-bye.